Well, guys, now my part is here. The latch for the truck. So I will install that in a little while. Okay, so I managed to remove the old latch, put on the new one, and this is pretty easy because it's a clip-on. This one here, to remove the I had to break it in pieces with this little screwdriver crowbar and just get in there and pop it and pop it and pop it because it wouldn't let go from the back here. So it finally did, and I already connected the electrical wire down there. So now it's a matter of putting these screws onto the top. And let's see, because it locked now. And I don't see this thing activating. Oh, it did, okay. So we gotta attach it. So let's get the screws lined up. Okay, so first one, this one, in the back. This one on the side. This thing popped out. All right, here we go. Catch. No. We gotta go higher. There we go. Okay, so let's see now. Something is a little bit stuck. Let's see what's going on here. It locked, but it's not unlocking. So what's going on? Okay, this is put in. Maybe I didn't shove that one in all the way to the front. So let's pop it out. And make sure this thing is, take it out. Okay, now I did it. So I had it too far in. Okay, so now locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. And that's it. It's done. So now what I gotta do is I gotta later, because rain is coming again, so I gotta scrape this old glue with a knife and maybe spray some gum out and remove that, clean it, and then put the cap, the new cap that I already got, back in here, and we're good to go. All right, so the little project, it's done. Just took less than 5 minutes. Okay, and this is gonna go to the junkyard, to the junker. I like to get something done every day. Like I say, every time I finish something, we got something done. All right, guys, short video. See you on the next one.